Welcome to a new segment of Tastes of the Seasons. I'm Mrs. McLeod, and we are going to try all my favorite pumpkin spice flavored items. So we tried a lot of them. I'm bringing in some of my favorites to see how they like the pumpkin spice flavored things. I gave them cards, 5 being the best, 3 being just so-so, and 1 being do not want to eat that again. First up, we're going to try this pumpkin walks into a bar, and it's a pumpkin flavored granola bar. It's kind of like a Nutri-Grain bar, but it's flavored in pumpkin. So I'm gonna
help me, Miss
split it in half. So go ahead and dig in, and once you've tasted it, hold up the card for how you feel it tastes. Give us your feedback. What's the flavors? Texture?
It's too much.
Oh, I like it.
That first bite, it gives me like the apple flavor.
Oh, you get an apple. That's
But
must
then
be the
it-
spice.
And then it comes.
Oh, yeah.
real funky.
It has like a weird texture. The apple taste.
Okay.
I think it's good.
Boys, what do you rate it?
I rate it 3.
I got a 3, 3, 3, and a 5. So we're just so-so on the pumpkin
It's not
bar.
the best, it's not the worst.
All right.
Hey bros, come join us for our pumpkin bowling competition.
Our contestants are Easton Albright, Braylon Packwood, and Easton Shine.
Oh my.
After the tiebreaker, Braylon Packwood won by 1 point.
Next up, we have pumpkin flavored sandwich cookies. These are the personal favorites at my household. All right, try that one.
It smells buttery.
Takes them a second to chew, to savor the flavor. Thoughts?
I like this one better than
Hold
the
up
other
your
one.
cards.
It's good. I'm not really tasting pumpkin spice.
Oh,
It tastes more like the
tastes-
lemon Oreos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We rate it.
It tastes better than the other one, but no pumpkin spice.
Not good.
still a 3. Solid 3 on the sandwich cookie. Let's switch it up to pumpkin tortilla chips.
This is where I think I'm good.
It's a little savory on this one.
Chat, I'm cooked. Oh, it looks like the like a piece of a those elephant ears that you can get at like a carnival.
Yeah.
It's like covered in cinnamon.
What's wrong with the last one? It's too salty. It doesn't taste like pumpkin spice. It just tastes like a tortilla chip.
It's salty, and all I'm tasting is plain Dorito.
Plain Dorito. Do not.
It just tastes like a tortilla chip.
Well, lucky for you, I like tortilla chips. So.
Very plain. They're good, but it doesn't taste like pumpkin spice. So.
Yeah.
All right, we got a 5
Very
on
plain.
that one.
Very plain.
A 1, a 1, and a 1. Wow, we have very different tastes on our panel.
Very plain.
Today we will be interviewing some students and staff on who their favorite football team is and why. With
Jaron.
what grade are you in?
7.
Do you have a favorite football team?
Yeah, the Ravens.
Do you think they'll make it to the Super Bowl?
Yeah.
What grade are you in?
7th.
What's your favorite football team?
The Philadelphia Eagles.
What do you like about that team?
That is where my grandparents live.
Who's your favorite player?
AJ Brown.
NFL team.
Let me see. There might be some clues in my room. If you look at the ceiling, there's a couple things.
What's your name?
Keegan.
What grade are you in?
7.
What's your favorite NFL football team?
Pittsburgh Steelers.
Do you think they'll make it to the Super Bowl?
Show you my super shrine here. Back in 1998, when John Elway retired, I hung this up 26 years ago. So, who do you think my favorite team is? Good answer.
Now we'll switch to some pumpkin spice Cheerios.
Oh, I had Cheerios.
Put it with a little milk. You have yourself a little bit of a latte at the end. You add some coffee. Delicious.
I'm scared.
Aw, these are good.
Ready, Oliver?
My dog even likes
Right,
these.
Tastes like Cheerios, but with like a little bit of cinnamon. Whatever. Oh my god.
I'm tasting chicken. I don't like chicken.
It tastes
It
kind
tastes
of
like
like the
chicken.
Walmart,
I'm tasting
like
like
roast beef
I'm tasting chicken.
But you like it?
Yeah, that's good. No, I
Well,
don't like
he's
it.
getting
I hate
cinnamon.
chicken. I hate chicken. What? Yeah, it tastes like cinnamon.
I love
I'm tasting chicken.
Sorry.
Ugh. Guys, how are you tasting chicken? I don't know.
I don't know how, but you got some cinnamon out of it, and I think they're probably better with milk. Probably better with milk.
Probably.
The last thing we have is some pumpkin spice cookies. They're shortbread cookies with a little glaze on top.
Don't we just eat cookies?
Well, these are a little bit different style, so these are like your frosted cookies.
Oh, I'm cooked.
Okay.
So, there you go.
They taste like animal cookies.
Do they taste
But
any
just
different? Do you get any of the
pumpkin-shaped.
pumpkin from them?
No.
I taste pumpkin. It tastes
I
like yeah,
don't.
it tastes like pumpkin. I'm getting frosty.
I just get the normal animal cookie taste,
like it.
but in pumpkin shape.
I'm getting like the sugary cookie type.
So
I
too
like it.
sugary for you?
The animal.
Yeah.
I like it.
Animal cookies? Kind of
I
like
like
that? Good, a little sweet.
I like animal cookies.
Good, we ended on a high note then. A lot of our products were found at Trader Joe's in Spokane. They have a big selection, but any store you'll see right now is loaded with pumpkin spice things. And I recommend you try some. What'd you guys think?
Booyah!
Oh yeah.